Some viewers may find this disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
This week I have been challenged to try a McDonald's, okay? And for me, that is like spending a week in Guantanamo Bay being fucking waterboarded, okay? Because McDonald's is gash. Now, we have a Big Mac meal and 9 chicken nuggets. Fuck me. For some people, especially Americans, that is a starter or a side dish. Wow. Big Mac. More like Big Cac. Fuck me, look at that. The temperature is, of course, fucking freezing. So the burger already is experiencing fucking hypothermia. Wow, that is perishingly cold.
Tell you to run. Deja vu, I have been this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's better than to go. In the room, and the circles of mystery. Standing on my feet, so hard when I try to be me.
¡Ay, marica! ¡Ay, marica, siguió!